Hi, first grade, and welcome back to math today. Today we are going to move on to our next chapter, which is chapter 2, lesson 1. We are going to move on to subtraction stories. So before we move on to subtraction stories, I figured I would share with you my little friend Linus the Minus. And this helps us always remember when we subtract, our minus sign is Linus. So he's very helpful. Linus the Minus is a naughty young lad, always taking away. He is oh so bad. When he comes around, you will end up with less. He makes a big difference, but he'll never confess. And then down here, here's our Linus the Minus right here in the middle. So boys and girls, when we take away, Linus the Minus takes away. So that's what happens when we subtract. So if we look at 7 and we take away, remember that's what Linus does. 3 from 7. If we have 7 and we take away 3, 1, 2, 3, we have 4 left. So there's our answer. Now, boys and girls, for our math lesson today, we are going to be looking at subtraction stories. So if you look right here on this one, it says there are 7 dragonflies sitting on a flower. If you count in the picture, there are all 7 dragonflies, and then you can see that, boys and girls, 2 of the dragonflies are flying away. So in that case, you cross out these 2 dragonflies. There's 1, there's 2. If you have 7 and you cross out 2, you take away 2. There's our Linus, taking away those 2. If you take those 2 away, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our answer would be 5 dragonflies. So boys and girls, your work today is going to be page 109, page 110, page 111, and page 112. When you get finished with that, you can move on to my homework if you want, because it always helps us get more practice with subtraction. All right, first grade, work hard on your math today, and welcome to subtraction.